Mayong adlaw mga higala, this is Judy. Welcome to Cebuano 101 Useful Everyday Phrases or Sentences series. In this lesson, I am going to teach you how to say, "What do you mean?" in Bisaya. What do you mean is unsa imong pasabot. Unsa imong pasabot. Now we are going to break it down. What is unsa? Imong is you. And then mean is pasabot. Pasabot. I have two variations here. The first one is unsay pasabot nimo. Unsay pasabot nimo. The second one is unsay buot nimong pasabot. Unsay buot nimong pasabot. Okay? You can see here there is Y at the end of unsa. We have unsay. Unsay is a contracted word of unsa ang. In the second example, unsay buot nimong pasabot. We have buot here. Buot means desire or want. This sentence in English, we can translate this to, what do you really mean? Okay, what do you really mean? That is, unsay buot nimong pasabot. Just in case you are wondering, what's the difference between imong and nimo? Imong and nimo are both singular second person. The difference is use imong before the verb and use nimo after the verb. Okay? Now, let's practice. Mag-practice ta. And repeat after me. Unsa. Unsa. Imong. Imong. Pasabot. Pasabot. Unsa imong pasabot. Okay, that's the end of our tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to access all useful everyday phrases or sentences, head over to Cebuano101.com and sign up to our Members Access Plan. I hope to see you there. Daghang salamat ug amping kanunay. See you next time. Bye!